So, you join me on a very, very blustery Meadows, and as you can see, the sun is over there somewhere, just over the back. I'm hoping that today we're going to be able to spot a few owls and such. That's why I'm here. The owl is ever elusive in terms of groundbarker and whatever else, like the one at Mountain here. However, people are having really good signs of it and stuff, so don't know, like I just keep going on the wrong day apparently, I don't know. But yeah, I'm hoping to see it today, maybe get some showery shots in the sunset and different things. Who knows? I'm just hoping that this trip today produces. So sorry if it's a bit blustery and very noisy, but there's not a lot I can do about that. The winds go up and I'm hoping that doesn't stop the barn owls. But you know, we'll see. We will see what happens today, because this is sort of prime time for them coming out as well. I've come straight after work and brought all my camera gear with me, and yeah, fingers crossed. My viewfinder's playing up at the moment. I don't know where you can see it though, but it's popped off and I've kind of broken one of the clips on it, so I've ordered a new one unfortunately, but that only comes tomorrow. So like I said, we'll see how this goes, and I'll update you later on everything that happens, hopefully. So as you can see, we're now in one of the hides, and as you can see behind me, a lot of the geese have just landed, and also there's a lot of lapwings there. But honestly, I'm really hoping, because the light is literally starting to fade. As you can see, the sun is starting to set. It's getting to that sort of time. Fingers crossed the barn owls come out to play tonight, and maybe even the shorty though. Apparently they are, if they're not already here, they're going to be coming pretty soon, so excited for that. And hopefully that means I can come here more often, every Friday or whenever, and hopefully get those as well, which would be amazing. As you can see, just out in the distance over there, you can see all the sun is starting to go down and set. No luck as of yet, but I'll keep you guys posted on what's going on. So as you can see, the light is starting to really fade, and we have actually managed to get some shots of a barn owl. Some perched, a couple flying shots. Hopefully the flying shots have come out okay, but they were miles away, and I'm actually headed to where it went, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get some last minute ones of it flying in some golden light before the light disappears on me completely and I have to travel home in the dark. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, but fingers crossed. So you join me at Lunt Meadows basically in the dark now. It's really starting to drop off. We got some barn owl shots I'm hoping turn out. I can't guarantee it because they're very noisy, it's very dark. Shooting with f6.3 on the R7. I can't guarantee the shots are going to come out, but I'll show the kind of shots that I've been able to get. I'll try and clean them up with Topaz denoise and Lightroom and different things to try and give you the best sort of shot. But yeah, this is where the sort of magic happened. In this field here, it was quartering the field, and only for a short period of time, because there was about 5 or 6 sets of dog walkers that came, and the dogs were barking at it and growling at each other, and the barn owl decided it would go all the way over there. So yeah, but in total I've seen 3 barn owls, maybe 2. It might be the same one that I've seen twice. Was in the same sort of area, one of them. So it may be that it was the same barn owl, but I've seen it a lot closer one time. It was perched the first time I saw it, and I've seen it flying. And then I've seen one perched over in those trees over there. And then I've also seen one that was not only perched, but it was flying over there as well, over that area where there is a hide over there somewhere. And basically, where that hide was, it was flying around and quartering that area. So yeah, 2 barn owls, maybe 3 or 4. I think it's more than likely 2, just the same ones. And it's been a really good experience. I mean, I've met a couple of people that I didn't know beforehand, and got some barn owl shots, hopefully, that may or may not turn out, but hopefully they'll be better than the ones that I got at Brock Hall, sorry, because that was far away, and also there was no background whatsoever. At least with this, I may be able to salvage the background in different things, because there is an actual background in the shots, which is good. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out in the end. So I just wanted to end this video with a quick recap of how I managed to get to this point, which is getting the shots of the barn owl. So I did a bit of research on barn owls. I learned how they hunt. I learned what their timing is like. Do they come out in the rain? Don't they? There's a lot of research that goes into it, and I basically learned a lot about the bird, how it flies, how it hunts, and all that sort of stuff. And I went to a place that is known for them. Now, Lunt Meadows is paramount for these birds, like they're seen all year round pretty much. But also, there's certain things you've got to take into account, like, did it rain the night before? If yes, then it's a pretty good chance that they might come out. Did it rain during the day and then stop in the evening? It's a good chance they might come out. So there's a lot of things you've got to kind of take into account with that, but being at the right place at the right time, being in a location where you know they're going to be, which is one of the things that I didn't know at the start of this trip, that I do now, because I went to a place where they generally are. So this trip allowed me to do even more research by being there myself, because I bumped into a few people that are regulars or locals there. They gave me a bit of information on, you know, the sort of areas that they're seeing and different things like that. So I stuck around in those areas a little bit longer. Some of them actually went home and didn't get to see it come out, or got to see it in the tree when the light was actually decent, but didn't get to see it flying later on like I did, because I stuck around. So it just goes to show, sometimes all you have to do is persevere, and it pays off, especially if you know you're in the right area, which is exactly what happened to me. I got to the place, I was in the right area,
they told me exactly where I needed to be, or where they've seen it in the past and where it's come over, like the hedgerows and stuff where the paths are. And I basically sat in that area and stood around for a good half an hour, 45 minutes after they left, and then it turned up. And it's like, well, sometimes that's all it takes, is a little bit of perseverance and a little bit of knowledge from someone else, or even your own research. When you go and look, or when you go to a place, you notice that, oh, that's actually where it's going. So pick up on these things and you'll be able to put it into practice like I did. Again, I wasn't 100% happy with the shots, and I will be going back for more, because I've seen the barn owls. They're amazing to watch hunt and stuff like that, especially trying to get photos of them and stuff. And, you know, I'm very, very happy to have finally cracked the sort of curse that seemed to be on me at the time of, you know, not being able to see them no matter how hard I tried. So yeah, we finally unlocked that one, it seems. And so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, favorite and subscribe, and we will be back at Lunt Meadows very soon for round 2.